it's starting to leak. And just wiggle it a little bit, you know. Just want to wiggle it around. So, oh, there you go, see? So that last bolt up there is really important. So, you know, let it hang. So just let it drain there for a little bit and come back later. So, yeah, whatever, fuck.
Oh, should we just take it off, boss?
Okay, yeah. Just take it off so they see what it looks like inside. Please don't spill the differential cover.
I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah. You want to place it just maybe here on the class. You know, and the edges might be dirty, so you're gonna want to clean it. It's my first time doing it.
More like our first.
Our first time doing it. Bam! There it is. You see? Those freaking years
of reality.
Of reality. Now I did the whole thing to find out what kind of. It's a limited slip. My gears are set at 6
upside down and
something.
By hand.
Yeah. What is that? As you can see, all that gunk, and we are gonna need some. Wow, that's beautiful. Damn, that shit's hot.
Remember, we just came back.
Exactly.